my dudes! Ah! I'm here at a restaurant with my brother, and my dad, and my ate, and my mom, and my mom's friends, and we're in a waterfall. And we eat in the water.
And we eat
in the water, right? It's awesome, right?
Yeah,
I like it.
It's in the water.
And it's a buffet over there.
And we don't have to pay
Yeah, we do. But
for the ticket.
and there's some ants stuck under the table. I don't know if you can see them, but there they are. How you doing, my dudes? They're probably okay.
Guys, come on, let's go.
Okay, they're going.
Go, Dad.
Ooh, this is nice. Unlimited. Current pushing me this way. There's also a bunch of stuff out there. But this is pretty nice, actually. You ready to go down to the waterfall? What?
No, you're not gonna.
Hold it. That's it.
Mamaya na. Don't let up. Where is the cover?
You mean freeze brain?
Freeze brain.
Freeze brain. Dancing in the moonlight. Ooh. We're going down to the waterfalls. All the way down there. You can sit in it and do whatever you want. Here you go, Dad. Go, Busty. Look, Daddy. And there's a hand strap.
Come on, power.
Oh, go. There's the great.
Power.
Careful. Wait for me. Madulas, ha? Huh? Meron ba talaga ito pagkain? Hey. Hold Basti. Dadaan, ha? Hey. Say hi. Di mo rin sinarp? Di mo sinarp? Oh, yan pa rin naman. Kaya lang ito.
Recording a lot. Will mom get mad if we get wet?
Ha? Wala kayong damit? May damit ba kayo dinala?
No, but we're going back to the house and changing.
I took out my extra clothes.
Why?
Why is it cold?
go ahead. Say hi kayo, hi.
Hello. Hello.
There's a lot of moss here. Let me go. Run away. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Looks like they're running away.
Hey, say hi kayo dali.
Running away.
Oh, yun mo, that's it.
Hello. We're running away.
Look, what?
We're running for the ocean. We're running on the ocean.
Get them upstairs. No.
Say hi.
Hello. Hi, guys. Where's the car?
Hello guys, it's the Stalker here. Welcome back to the same video. I have to do the introduction every single time. I don't know why I just make it a regular video, but I wasn't able to record the last 2 days because of not bringing my charger. So I wasn't able to record going to the beach and everything. We might go again, but I was sorry. I don't have that footage. I'm just sorry. But I did buy a charger, so I do have it fully charged again. Oh, never mind. 2 bars out of 3 bars, so it's still good. But yeah, I wasn't able to record the last 2 days, so if it looks like it's a time skip or anything, that's it. But I got a flute. Never mind, the flute was taken out. How are you doing? I see how it is. I said, how are you doing? We should be going to Gaitai right now. But I don't know. This is our car. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, let's go look at the toll ladies. What is up, my dudes? Yeah, that sucks. They don't want to say hi back. There's a lot of smog here. I don't know if you can see it in the sky. But there's a lot. I'll record again when we're somewhere more interesting. I promise. I promise. At a park, in a park in the mountains. Park in the mountains. Hey, buddy. You okay? We are now hunting the wild Sebastian in the pillow area. They say they hide. They say they hide behind these bushes. There he is.
Yeah, bring the camera, Eliza.
What's wrong? Are you okay? You okay? I can't see.
Whoa, those are the eyes.
That's like ultra cool. Here's a better view. That looks pretty sick. Let's just go check it out. Huh? The ocean. I swam in that. Isn't that sick? That's like so cool. It smells like barbecue. Now we're in the jungle. On a mountain. With a zip line. Sure. Wait, where? Are those boats? Wait, what do they have here? I don't want to go horseback riding.
Huh?
I'll die.
Yeah.
Ooh, ziplining.
Nag-zipline ka?
Oh no, that's just kind of exhilarating. You want to go zipline, guys? Come on, I can't be the only one that wants it. Are you going to go zipline?
No.
Why not?
Saan?
Yeah. Oh, there's a city down there, dude. It's a city. There's Cheska. Ches. Nice haircut. If you fell, you would like roll down.
Island right now?
On the what island?
The big island.
The Big Apple?
To the Philippines. Are we on the second big island? What is it?
I see how it is. That's still so cool. Like, this is the Philippines. Like, it isn't one big island. There's like a lot of islands. Dude, if you had my eyes, this would look so much cooler. But it's so awesome. I have to save it with my eyes. Whoop! I'ma go on the zipline.
Pwede kasama ito pare. Ano kasama?
You don't want to go?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Zipline? Baka pagdating din wala na yun.
Ayoko sa zipline.
Pwede naman dito. Pwede lang sila dito pare.
Masyado yung maliit para dun sa harness. Ang harness isang size wala sila pang batang harness.
Ito pare dito na lang sila oh.
Hindi po, pag kasama po siya sir, kasama isang matanda po siyang bata, kasama po siya sa kawan.
Oo nga, pero yung harness nyo, hindi design pang bata.
Hindi sir, kasama siya sa likod. Sa likod po siya nakasakay.
Sa iyong likod.
Sa
Like a little backpack.
Pakisig yung anak ko nga. First time yung mag-zipline.
I'll come back safe.
Going there, then coming back, and this one's for the place. You get it in the other side before you ride back. Just go up there.
Yo. It's gonna be sick. I went the wrong way. Okay. Okay. Trying to get coffee right now, but I don't. It's too late.
Kada pa kaya?
Solo.
Solo.
Tagalog? I can understand it.
Ilang taong ka na?
13?
13. Oh. Yeah, 13 years old. Nasa ka patuloy.
Yo, I'm on a zip line, my dudes.
Naisan mo ako.
Okay, go. Okay, buddy.
Yeah. Yo, it is Wednesday, my dudes. Ah! Dude, this is freaking cool. Ah! Ah, freak. Oh.
Picture lang. Picture lang.
Natayo ka, kuya. Baba mo yung paa mo.
Balik ka ba, Pogi? Balik ka.
Two-way ka, two-way. Two-way.
No.
Round trip?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe?
Where's the ticket? Where's the ticket? Oh, okay. Go upstairs and then with your picture na plane there and then go back to the station.
I'm almost going the wrong way, my dude.
Yeah, tama. So, ang hugot mo ngayong Tuesday morning, sa salitang forever, kaya mo ba akong hugutan para maniniwala ako? Nakarapat dapat din pala akong pumasok sa puso ko. Forever hugot ka ba? Wala. Na. Paano ka papasasak yung gusto mo ngayon? Wala kang hugot. Hugot pa dahil. Wala lang siyang hugot. Pero hugot pa daw.
That was fun. That was just pretty cool.
Ang hugot, yan yung nga pinag-uusapan natin.
Look at those dudes.
Bisaya ko ng hugot dahil.
I'm a real thug.